Today, discussed about the Cognizant GNC interview questions, one of my friends shared his experience. Now, deep dive into those questions with answers. First one is intro self-intro is very important and key aspect in interviews. This is standard and repeatedly asked in any interview. Few students asked, what are the key points mentioned while answering the intro right? Firstly, greet the HR, followed by tell your name, and next brief about educational background. Third point is tell your achievements in that achievements section. You tell your certificates, you participated any competitions, rankings, all those stuff mentioned in achievements section, then tell your projects. In projects section, you tell title of project and then describe your role. Mention 2 to 3 main points, tech stack used in your project, and finally output of your project right. Followed by strengths, hobbies, and goals. Next second one is regarding locations and shifts. Answer for this one is I am willing to relocate and working with in shifts. Now the interviewer jumps into SQL. SQL stands for Structural Query Language. The purpose of this is to communicating with databases. Brief about DML, DDL, DCL, TCL statements. Answer for this one, DML, Data Manipulation Language. Deals with data manipulation, i.e., how data is added, updated, and deleted within tables. Examples: insert, update, delete, and select. Usage. DML statements do not modify the database structure, only the data within the tables. DDL, Data Definition Language. Defines and manages database objects like tables, indexes, and schemas. Examples: create, alter, drop, truncate. Usage. DDL statements change the structure of the database, such as creating or modifying tables and other database objects. DCL, Data Control Language. Controls access permissions and security within the database. Examples: grant, revoke. Usage. Used by database administrators to give or restrict user permissions. TCL, Transaction Control Language. Manages transactions in the database to ensure consistency and integrity of data. Examples: commit, rollback, save point. Usage. Used to save or undo changes in a transaction. TCL is essential for maintaining data integrity, especially in cases of failures or errors. Next question is difference between union versus union all. Union combines the result sets of 2 or more select queries, removing duplicate rows from the final result set. This is example. Select city from customers union. Select city from suppliers. Use case. Use union when you want to combine data but ensure there are no duplicate rows. Union all combines result sets like union but includes duplicates. This is an example. Select city from customers. Union all select city from suppliers. Use case. Use union all for faster performance when duplicates are acceptable, as it does not remove duplicates. Next question is difference between where versus having. Where clause filters records before any aggregation takes place. It is used without aggregation functions. Example. Select from employees. Where department ID Oscar 5, having clause, filters records after aggregation has been done. It is typically used with group by and aggregate functions like count, sum, AVG. Example. Select department ID, count. From employees group by department ID having count. Greater than 5. 4. Normalization and normal forms. Normalization. A process in database design to reduce data redundancy and improve data integrity. Normal forms. First normal form. Eliminates duplicate columns from the same table and ensures each column contains atomic values. Second normal form. Eliminates duplicate rows from the same table and ensures each row contains atomic values. Form. Achieves first normal form and removes partial dependencies, where a non-key attribute depends only on a part of the primary key. Third normal form. Achieves second normal form and removes transitive dependencies, ensuring non-key attributes depend only on the primary key. OBCNF, Boyce Codd normal form. A stricter version of 3NF where every determinant is a candidate key. 5. Joins and types of joins. Joins are used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column. Inner join returns rows when there is a match in both tables. Example. Select employees. Name departments. Name from employees. Inner join departments on employees. Department ID equals department's ID. Left join, left outer join. Returns all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. If no match, null is returned. Right join, right outer join. Similar to left join, but returns all rows from the right table. Full join, full outer join. Returns all rows when there is a match in either table. Cross join. Produces a Cartesian product, returning every possible combination of rows from the two tables. 6. Indexes and types of indexes. Indexes. Database objects that improve retrieval speed by creating a data structure to locate data faster. Types of indexes. Primary index. Created automatically on primary keys, uniquely identifying each record. Unique index. Enforces uniqueness on values in a column. Clustered index. Alters the physical storage order of data in a table. Only one clustered index per table is allowed. Non-clustered index. Creates a separate structure for data storage. Tables can have multiple non-clustered indexes. 7. Primary key, secondary key, unique key. Primary key uniquely identifies each row and cannot contain null values. Each table can have only one primary key. Secondary key, an additional key used for accessing data more efficiently but does not have uniqueness constraints. Unique key ensures values in a column are unique, can have one null value per column. 8. Case statement. Case statements allow conditional logic within a SQL statement. Example. Select employee ID. Case when salary 100,000 then high, when salary 50,000 then medium, else low. End as salary grade from employees. 9. Write SQL queries. Create table employees. Employee ID int primary key, name varchar 100. Salary decimal 10, 2. Department ID int join date. Insert records. Insert into employees. Employee ID, name, salary, department ID, join date. Values. 1. Alice, 75,000. 3. 2,000. 2023 01 10. Update statement. Update employees set salary, Axaxer salary. 1.1 Where department ID, 2. Rename a column. Alter table employees. Rename column name to full name. Print maximum salary. Select max salary. As max salary from employees.